To perform this activity, you're going to sit in an upright position, head, ribcage, and hips all stacked over each other and feet flat on the floor. You'll place your hands on the lower ribs. You're going to exhale fully through an open, relaxed mouth, making a sighing sound. At the end of your exhale, you're going to feel your lower ribs move together and slight tension in the outer abdominals. You're going to keep that slight tension in the outer abdominals as you take a gentle breath in through your nose against that tension. You're going to exhale again fully. On the inhale, you're going to maintain the tension in the abdominals and avoid any lifting of the ribcage or the shoulder girdle. Easy breath in through the nose, maintaining that tension, and then a full exhale.